The kit comes ready to go, already packaged in a semi-hard carrying case. All you need to do is order the correct adapter rings for your lenses and you are set to hit the road. The perfect starter kit for the landscape photographer. Each filter provides a specific effect to help you nail the shot. The circular polarizer will remove unwanted reflections to reveal the color and beauty beneath. The f-stop ND will give you greater creative freedom to control shutter speeds so waterfalls look like cotton candy. And the two-stop graduated ND will help you control the contrast between a bright sky and dimly lit foregrounds, making clouds really pop. Includes Cokin P-Series filter holder. Graduated ND for controlling sky exposure. 3-stop ND to create motion blur in water. Circular polarizer to remove reflections and enhance color. Filter holder for your filters. Top reviews from other countries. This package is excellent value for money, containing not only a Z Pro filter holder but also a circular polarizer, a 3-stop ND filter as well as a graduated ND filter. The case is a hard shell case capable of withstanding most normal shocks, dropping on concrete, etc. It also has capacity for further filters.